What if I told you that future animals are already here, not in sci-fi movies, but in real labs and wild places on Earth? From glowing fish to cybernetic frogs, let me show you 10 animals that may soon walk, swim, or fly among us. Climate change, genetic engineering, and natural evolution are reshaping life on Earth. Some creatures are being created on purpose. Others are adapting faster than we imagined. Here's what the animal kingdom of the future might look like. Let's start with number 1. You've probably seen glow-in-the-dark aquarium fish, but researchers are now working on fish that glow in response to pollution. They change color depending on toxins in the water, turning nature into a living warning system. As the Arctic melts, animals are adapting. Imagine a fox with webbed feet to run across slush, and thick fur to survive the cold. Scientists already see changes in Arctic species. In growing cities, some monkeys are learning to survive among humans. Picture a small primate with long fingers for gripping wires and eyes adapted to neon-lit nights. It's evolution in the shadow of skyscrapers. A living creature with artificial organs. The synth frog is part organic, part lab-grown. It could help us grow human-compatible tissues, not science fiction. Trials are already underway. Meet the synthetic mammoth. Using elephant DNA and frozen mammoth genes, scientists are trying to bring back cold-adapted giants. Their mission? Restore the permafrost and rebalance ecosystems. The cold may hold the key to the future. Sky mantis are hybrid drones with organic tissues, able to float and adjust to air currents like birds. Their mission: track pollution and climate data from above. And they're powered by advanced AI and solar energy. In deserts of the future, survival will mean collecting every drop. This beetle pulls water from the air using textured armor. Some versions are being developed as inspiration for water harvesting tech. Want a cat that glows in the dark? Genetic modification can make it happen. In the near future, designer pets could glow, change color, or even shift patterns based on mood. Swamps and mangroves could be home to the next octopus evolution, with climate shifts and rising water levels. Some scientists believe octopuses could adapt to semi-terrestrial life. The final animal is if humans may evolve into something new with enhanced vision, modified skin, neural implants. The future of animals includes ourselves, not one kind of human, but many, each adapting in their own way, guided not by instinct but by intelligence. And that intelligence might not only shape our bodies, but the world we build, the values we follow, and even what it means to be alive. Evolution no longer just happens. Now we direct it. These creatures may sound strange, but many are already in development. The line between nature and technology is blurring. Which of these animals will appear first, or are they already here? If you want to see the future before it arrives, hit subscribe and share this video. Let us know in the comments which animal surprised you most.